Topic 6, Part 2, Number 4, Exponential and Logarithmic Function. For exponential and logarithmic function, you need to remember dx, differentiate dx, you will get that ex. Differentiate ln x, you will get that 1 over x. Differentiate ex, you will get that ex. Differentiate ln x, you will get that 1 over x. Okay. Now, if you want to differentiate bx, let's say y equal to b power of x. Okay. Then what it will do, I ln both sides, ln y and ln b power of x. Okay, I just want to prove this one, how it will get this one. Okay, and then ln y equal to x ln b. Okay, and then of course, when I differentiate d dx for ln y and d dx for x ln b, and you know that ln b is actually constant. Okay, so what you will be differentiate is x at the front, and then this one, since it's a ln y, you see that ln x 1 over x. If they are ln y, 1 over y, but you need to put that y prime, okay, because they are y, equal to differentiate x, it become 1 ln b. Okay, and then I move this one to the right side, it's become y prime equal to y ln b. And you know that y equal to bx, so for this case y prime equal to bx ln b. Okay, you will get back this one. Okay, next is log bx. How do you get that? 1 over ln b, 1 over x. Let's say y equal to log bx. Okay, it can also transform into b power of y equal to x. Okay, and then I ln both sides, and y at the power can move to the front, y equal to ln b equal to ln x. And of course, it will become y equal to, I move ln b to the left side, ln x multiple with 1 over ln b, which is divided by ln b. Actually, I separate it automatically. Okay, and then dy per dx is equal to ln x. We know that ln x equal to 1 over x, 1 over x, and then 1 over ln b. This is how we get that, like this one. Okay, next, if you want to differentiate the following function, let's say number 1, you want to differentiate this one to the x. Okay, first, y equal to 3ex power of 4x plus 2x. Okay, for this case, I try to first settle this one. 2x will become 2. Right, x power of 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's become 2. For this one, e4x, so you just copy again as usually 3e power of 4x, but you differentiate for x, you get 4. So at the end, 3 multiplied with 4 become 12ex 4x plus 2. What is mean here? Y equal to 3e 4x plus 2x, okay, is you differentiate one by one, okay. For this case, you copy again, salin balik, but you need to differentiate at the above. Differentiate 2x become 2. Okay, divide the x. And 3e 4x, differentiate 4x, only the above, it become 4 plus 2. At the end, it become 12e 4x plus 2. Okay, you salin balik, ambil yang atas saja, get the above and differentiate that one, you get the 4 and then just become 12e power of 4. Next, if you have ln x power of 10 plus e power of 7x, okay, I move 10 to the front, it become 10 ln x and e7 of x, okay. And you know that ln x is actually 1 over x. From this one, y equal to 10 ln x plus 7 e power of 7x. dy per dx is, you salin balik, 10 ln x, if you differentiate will become 1 over x. 1 over x. Okay. 1 over x plus, you salin balik, e7x. Okay. But you need to differentiate 7x at the above. It becomes 10 over x plus e7x. Differentiate 7x will become 7. And then you get that 10 over x plus 7e power of 7x. Okay, same. Okay. Now number 3. Suppose that you have y equal to x power of 2 ln 3x. Okay, for this case, you have this x, you have also this x. Right, so this is 1 and this is 2. So what you will need to do, you need to use y dy per dx equal to uv prime plus vu prime, rule number 4. Okay, this is what I do. This one is u and this one is v. U v prime v u prime. U is x square and v is ln 3x. V is a ln 3x. For v prime, I differentiate this one. Ln 3x will become 1 over 3x. Okay, if 1 over x, if ln x, it's become 1 over x. But if ln 3x, it is 1 over 3x, but you need to differentiate 3x, which is 1 over 3x 3. At the end, you get that, move this one, it become 1 over x. Okay, 1 over 3x 3. Okay, this one 1 over 3x 3. I know that you can eliminate this one after this one. Okay, and then you eliminate x, which is x, and then it's only get x. Okay, for this case ln 3x for y, and then u is differentiate x power of 2 become 2x. Okay, differentiate x square become 2x, so it's become 2x ln 3x. Next is this question, y equal to e power of 2x ln 4x plus 2x. Okay, for this case it's become u and v. You need to use formula dy per dx equal to vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. Okay, this one is v, so I put that already at the below, which is ln 4x plus 2x as power of 2. Okay, this is u, this is v. Okay, differentiate e to x, you will get this is as u prime e to x differentiate is become e to x d dx, salin balik, lepas tu differentiate yang atas dia, differentiate yang at the above, and you get that e to x 2 and 2e to x. This one differentiate for this one, you get this one, and then this is u, salin balik, copy again, e to x. This is v, which is, you know that your v equal to ln 4x plus 2x. Okay, this one ln 4x over 2x. Okay, dv per dx equal to ln 4x is 1 over 4x differentiate 4x plus 2x become 2, which is 1 over 4x differentiate 4x become 4 plus 2, and 4 boleh eliminate, become 1 over x plus 2. Okay, this one 4 and 4 boleh can be eliminated, it become 1 over x after this. Okay, this one, of course this one can eliminate after that. Okay, if you can do until this one, it's okay. Okay, this is how you want to change it to most simplest one until you get this one. Okay, what I do, because we have at the below x, so for this case have the x, I will multiple both of this one, which x, x and x. So that's why if you can see that 2e they get 2x, 2x e for x, 4x they become 4x square, 2ex become 2x. Okay, and then x, this one can go down, x ln 4x plus 2x power of 2. Next, marginal. Marginal cost is the rate of change in cost per unit change in production and the output level of X units. For example, if the demand equation for manufactured product is this one, where the P is dollar, find the marginal revenue function and evaluate when Q is equal to 45. Okay. First, we want to find the marginal revenue function, which is R. The revenue is equal to PQ. Okay. In this case, revenue is price multiple which quantity, or demand multiple which quantity. Okay. The P is this one. Okay, this one is the P, and then you multiple inside, it becomes 1000 Q divided by Q plus 5. Since it is U and V, we have a Q for both sides. You want to differentiate dr per dq. So what you will do, you use formula vu prime minus uv prime divided by v power of 2. So this one is v, so I put quickly this one is power of 2. Okay, this is v, this is u, I put that side, and this is u prime 1000 differentiate for q, it's become 1000, and q plus 5 differentiate for q will become 1. This is v prime, and the end you get that multiple inside for both sides, 1000 q, 1000 with 5, 5000 minus 1000 q, and then you can eliminate this one, it will become 5000 divided by q plus 2 power of 2. We know that q is equal to 45, so just substitute q for this one, which is 45. Okay, and then you will get that it is 2. What is mean here, the stealing of additional unit beyond 45 result in approximate $22 more revenue, means that dengan jualan yang melebihi daripada 45 unit menghasilkan $2 untuk kita punya revenue, keuntungan. Okay, this is marginal. Okay, if you want to find the marginal of revenue, you just substitute this one, you find the revenue first, and then you differentiate, and then you just put the value of the quantity you want, and you will get that this is marginal revenue. Okay, you get the revenue, and then differentiate and put the value, and then you get that the value of marginal revenue. Okay, dapat dulu formula revenue, price bagi quantity, differentiate, and then put the value 45, and then you get that the value at that time 45. That called the marginal. Okay, but approximate is different. Let's say for this one, a company manufacture and sell X transistor radius per week. If the weekly cost and revenue equation are Cx 5000 plus 2x, this is for the cost. This is cost. This is revenue. It's 10x minus x squared divided by 1000, which is at the range of 0 until 8000. Find the approximate change in revenue and the profit if the production is increased from 2000 to 2010 unit per week. Okay, when they say that approximate change, it's not average of change, but approximate. The formula for approximate, it's like this one. Okay, first we want to find the approximate change in revenue. Okay, let's say first x, we know that 2000, and dx, the difference for x is 2010 minus 2000, it's become 10. Okay, the difference adalah berapa yang you dapat daripada 2010 tolak 2000. Okay, sebab we want to find the increasing from 2000 to 2010. Okay, the value of production. So we want to find the difference, besar tolak kecil. 2010 minus 2000 become 10. And then you get that Rx is this one. This is the formula revenue. Okay, formula revenue. Okay, this one, the formula of revenue. Okay, and then you differentiate this one to the x. and you will get that 10x differentiate become 10, x square differentiate become 2x divided by 1000, which is after that 2 and 1000 will become x over 500. This one is dr per dx. Okay. For approximate changes, it's dr, which is r prime x over multiple which dx. You know that dx, the difference is 10. Okay, you put dx in here, and you know that dr dx is 10 minus 5000. You put that in here. Okay. Now we know that x equal to 2000. This one. So just substitute x into this one, which is 10 minus 2000 divided by 500 multiple which 10 is equal to 6. 10 is 60. This is $60 per week. Okay, this means that the changes is $60 per week. Every week it will be $60. Next, we want to find that first is revenue. When we want to find the profit, if they are increased, what the profit? The approximate profit they increase. Okay, approximate changes in the profit. We know that revenue minus cost. Okay, this is formula revenue, this is formula cost. Revenue minus cost. This one, revenue minus cost. Okay, and then I try to put this one, 10x minus x square over 1000 minus negative positive become minus 5000 minus 2x. Negative positive is negative. So you can see this one, 2x and 10x, it will become 8x. Okay, and then x square I copy again, x square minus 5000. Okay, and then I differentiate for the profit, dp over dx, 8x will become 8, x square will become 2x divided by 1000, and this one is a constant 5000, so it will become 0. So at the end you can see that this 2 which 1000 will become 500. This is what dp over dx. Okay, similarly we want to use this one, this is approximate changes, so dr equal to, dp is equal to p prime x dp per dx multiple which difference of x. Okay, we know that dx is 10, the difference is 10, because from 2010 minus 2000 is equal to 10. Okay, this 10 in here. Okay, this one into in here. Okay, and we know that x is equal to 2000, so you just substitute x minus 2000 divided by 500 multiple which 10, and then you get that 4 multiple which 10, it become 40, which is 40 per weeks. Okay, so if they are approximate, you find the formula of profit. If they are profit, approximate profit, find the formula of profit and differentiate it, and after that you need to remember this formula, which is dp equal to dp per dx multiple which difference of x, the difference of x. Okay, perbezaan x. Okay,